fourth class for our bachata. Today, we learned a couple of extra things to our basics. Basic step we already know, so I won't review it, but the addition that we made was an adjustment in our timing. So with the basic step first, I'll show you what it looked like. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Timing change as you step in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Great. The second thing that we learned was a crossover to our front to back basic. So far, we've done crossing behind and crossing in front. Looks like this. Step, cross in front, step, together. Step, cross behind, step, together. This time we added the cross to our front to back basic, and it looked like this. Step. Notice our shoulders are already off our front to back axis. Our feet are still straight, our shoulders are turned, which facilitated an easy step back for 2. We stepped again for 3. We came back for 4. We used the same foot. Step back for 5. We crossed, and we came back. And here's the tricky part. We're here on 7. If we're transitioning side to side again, 8, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Did we learn anything else in the basics? Yes, for those that want a little bit of extra spice to the basics, we learned the step and slide adjustment. Instead of this, step and slide. Step and slide. We added a little bit of body movement to it. And we step out. Notice my body is rotating. Step. And instead of bringing it back together, I bring it behind me. Out. And I'm looking like I'm about to run freaky fast with some Jimmy Johns. And I slid. When I slid, I went shoulder first and rolled my body. Here, my shoulders are crooked. I stepped out and then slid. All that does is add a little bit of extra spice to that step and slide. Sauce. Anything else to the basics?
There was for the intermediate touch, you had that delay.
The delayed turn. So, for those that wanted to add some special sauce to their turns, the basic turn looked like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counted with different timing, it looked like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. That's how we've been doing it all along. Now, we're spicing it up a little bit, and we're counting, but at different timing. So it looks like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes? Cool. Part of work. We learned intermediate pattern. Last time we learned hammerlocks. Boom. They look like this. This time we learned dropping the hand. We have tension here, and we use that tension to step out for 5. Once here, guys, we stepped back for 2, so we made a complete 180. But as we did this, we made sure the lady's arm was comfortable by going out. Notice my steps are still small. 2. When we went for 3, I made another 180, normal bachata turn steps, except my arm went over my head. 3. And then I closed for 4. Yes? Awesome. That's the end of the first video. I'll give you a demonstration of what it looks like.